Happy birthday to you, twins. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kaluha. Happy birthday to you. Yay, yay.
Enjoy your birthday.
Hello. Greetings from Anchorage, Alaska para sa akong mga apo na 18 years old na today. Dagko na yun mo. Pwede na yun manguyang.
Pero, magpantay lang. Be careful, but enjoy your life, you know. Para di mo magsisi nga wala mo experience.
Happy birthday, twins. Casey and Ninya. Okay. Saba kayo, no? Party mo sa... Okay, bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy 18th birthday to the twins, Casey and Ninya. 18 na jud mo. Mga young adults na. Mainumdum ko katong gagmay pa mo mamalita dito sa bakery o ice cream. Ikaw man sa misa karon mga dalaga na kayo. May you both have a wonderful birthday celebration. Ang pimo kanunay and may all your dreams come true.
Hi, Casey and Nina and Casey. I hope you still remember me. It's Ate Ming. I wanted to let you know that I've been following you on Facebook and I've been watching your videos, and I'm so happy and proud of how beautiful, or the beautiful and confident little ladies you both have become. I hope you continue being wonderful students at school, because I know you both are. Continue being obedient children, and I miss you both. I wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Ate Kissy, Ate Ninya. Happy birthday, Ate Kissy, Ate Ninya. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ate Kissy, Ate Ninya. Happy birthday, Ate Kissy, Ate Ninya. I love you.